started out as a regular thunderstorm, and it does what it did what it does, and it ramped up, and it really looked like somebody just scooped up all the lines and the trees and just balled them up and tossed them down. It looked like a bomb went off. So a lot of tree damage and broken poles, broken cross arms.
Well, I'm expecting that this is probably the cleanest I'll ever be on this trip, and I'm hoping to learn a lot of things, learn some new things, work with people here at the co-op that I haven't gotten a chance to work with, and hopefully meet some new people down there while I'm out there. Just hope we come home safe and everything goes as planned.
I mean, it's very gratifying work. You see people that are in need of, some of these people have been without electricity for several days, and it's just and everybody's so grateful when you get the power turned on for them, and it's just what we do as a co-op. We try to help others. It's just the co-op way.
I do want to personally say thank you to United for sending crews our way. I know it made me feel a lot better, and our guys greatly appreciated the help. It seems like a serious mood improvement, because you just get tired and you're just exhausted, and then seeing the cavalry come in, it's just